Next problem is integral x dx by 1 plus 2x plus 2x square plus 2x cube plus x power 4 is equal to 1 by p into tan inverse x plus q by r plus x. You need to find p minus q plus r. P minus q plus r. You see this? Integral x dx by these three terms can be written as 1 plus x square whole square plus from these two terms you can take 2x as common so that you will get 1 plus x square. Integral x dx by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square plus 2x. So integral x dx by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x whole square. Now you have to use partial fractions. This can be written as integral in the numerator you will get 1 plus x whole square minus 1 minus x square. So it will be 2x. Now this can be written as the partial fractions 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. On integrating 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x plus 1 by 1 plus x plus c. Now compare this one. P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 1, R is equal to 1. Now P minus Q plus R, it will be 2. That is the required result. Next problem is integral dx by root over 5 plus 2x plus x square whole cube is equal to k into x plus 1 by root of 5 plus 2x plus x square plus c. Here you need to find the value of 4k. So this can be written as dx by root over x plus 1 whole square plus 4 whole cube whole power 3 by 2. Now let us take x plus 1 whole square as common. You will get dx by x plus 1 whole cube into 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 whole square whole power 3 by 2. Now if you consider 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 whole square as a t, its derivative is minus 8 by x plus 1 whole cube dx is equal to dt. So 1 by x plus 1 whole cube can be written as minus 1 by 8 dt by t power 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 8 into t power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. You will get minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 into t power minus 1 by 2, where t is 1 by 4 into 1 plus 4 by x plus 1 whole square whole power minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 into x plus 1 whole square plus 4 can be written as 5 plus 2x plus x square by x plus 1 whole square whole power minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by root of 5 plus 2x plus x square. Now this is the value of now k is equal to 1 by 4, therefore 4k is equal to 1. That is what they have asked. Next problem, integral dx by x square minus 6x plus 9 into root over x square minus 6x plus 4. Now this can be written as dx by x minus 3 whole square into root over x minus 3 whole square minus 5. Now dx by, take x minus 3 whole square as common, so x minus 3 whole cube into root of 1 minus 5 by x minus 3 whole square. Now consider 1 minus 5 by x minus 3 whole square as t. Its derivative will be 10 by x minus 3 whole cube dx is equal to dt. So integral 1 by x minus 3 whole cube dx is dt by 10. So 1 by 10 into dt by root t. Integral 1 by root t is 2 root t. So 1 by 10 into 2 root t, where t is 1 minus 5 by x minus 3 whole square plus c. So 1 by 5 into root of x minus 3 whole square minus 5 by x minus 3 plus c. So 1 by 5 into root of x square minus 6x plus 4 by x minus 3 plus c. Here k is 5. So k is equal to 5. That is the required answer. Next problem, integral 3x plus 2 whole power 10 by 4x plus 3 whole power dx is given as a into 3x plus 2 by 4x plus 3 whole power b plus c. You need to find the product of a and b, that is ab. Let us see. This can be written as 3x plus 2 by 4x plus 3 whole power 10 into 1 by 4x plus 3 whole square dx. So consider the derivative of this function. Derivative of 3x plus 2 by 4x plus 3. So it is of the form u by v. So 4x plus 3 whole square in the denominator. 3 is the derivative of numerator. 3 into 4x plus 3 minus 4 into 3x plus 2 dx is equal to dt. So 12x minus 12x is cancelled. 9 minus 8. So 1 by 4x plus 3 whole square dx is equal to dt. Now integral, if this is t power 10, this one is derivative dt. So you will get t power 11 by 11 plus c. 1 by 11 into 1 by 11 into, where t is given by 3x plus 2 by 4x plus 3 whole power 11 plus c. Now a is equal to 1 by 11, b is equal to 11. So ab is equal to 1. That is the required answer. Now next problem. Integral dx by sin x plus 2 cos x into cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to 1 by p into log mod 1 plus 2 tan x by 2 plus tan x plus c. Then you have to find the value of p. That is the question. Now in this problem, integral dx by, now let us take cos x as common in this function. So it will be cos x into tan x plus 2. Again here also take cos x as common. So cos square x into 1 plus 2 tan x. Now this can be written as secant square x dx by 2 plus tan x into 1 plus 2 tan x. Now if you take tan x as a t, then secant square x dx will be dt. So it is of the form 1 by 2 plus t into 1 plus 2t. Now by using partial fractions. So by using partial fractions, that can be written as integral minus 1 by 2 plus t plus 2 by 1 plus 2t. So this is minus log mod 2 plus t plus log mod 1 plus 2t plus c. So log mod 1 plus 2 tan x by 2 plus tan x plus c. That is the required result. Obviously p is equal to 1. That is the required answer. Next problem, integral x square dx by x sin x plus cos x whole square is equal to sin to the power l x minus x cos power b x by x sin x plus cos x plus c. Very important model. If you observe the derivative of x sin x plus cos x, derivative of x sin x plus cos x is equal to x into cos x plus sin x minus sin x. Here it is uv formula and the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So derivative of x sin x plus cos x is x cos x. Make sure that you have that term in that numerator. So it can be written as integral x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square into x by cos x dx. Now let this be the first function and this be the second function. Let us apply integration by parts formula. So x by cos x into integral of this function. So this is the derivative of the denominator. So it will be of the form integral 1 by t square. You will get minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x minus integral. Now derivative of this function u by v formula. u by v. So 1 into cos x minus x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So plus sin x into x by cos square x into again integral minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x dx. So x sin x plus cos x will be cancelled. You will be having minus x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x plus integral secant square x dx. Now integral secant square x is tan x. So minus x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x plus tan x, that is sin x by cos x. Now LCM is cos x into x sin x plus cos x. So you get minus x plus sin x into x sin x plus cos x. So minus x plus x sin square x plus cos x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. So minus x into 1 minus sin square x plus cos x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Cos square x. So you can take again cos x as common. You will be having minus x cos x. So you are missing sin x here. Minus x cos x plus sin x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. These two terms are cancelled. Now you can compare this one. So L is equal to 1, P is equal to 1, L plus P is equal to 2. That is the result.